Okay, let's look at the multiplication and division. The process is going to be exactly same for multiplication and division. Let me give you the steps. So whenever you are multiplying or dividing any rational, there are a few things. If you follow those steps or check for those things, it's going to be very easy for you to do it. So whenever you are working on this type of problem, your first goal will be to check for GCF. If you have a GCF, take it out. It's going to reduce the problem and it's going to make it easier for you to deal with it. So check number 1, check for GCF. Number 2, factor. How many different type of factoring did we do? So we can have 3 terms, right? So 3 terms is going to be trinomial. How do we factor the trinomials? In the cross. Okay. And we can have 4 terms. How can we factor the 4 terms? The box. So we take the GCF and everything. Okay. And the other one is 2 terms, right? So if we have a 2 terms and we have a minus in the middle, what do we do? The difference of square formula if you have square for both. If it is a perfect square. Let me phrase it that way. All right. So that's that one. And at the end, simplify. Simplification means you're going to cancel from the numerator and the denominator, never sidewise, remember. Cancel from numerator and denominator and never sidewise. All right. And finally, you have to set the restrictions. Can you read it? It should be set restrictions. We good? All right, perfect. Let's see how it works. Everybody done writing? Are you done? All right, I'm working on B. Let me work on this one. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. All right, let's look at this one. So we're going to look at the terms separately. Every time whenever you are multiplying or dividing fractions or anything, you have to consider each term. Like the first one, numerator separately, first one, denominator separately. Those are one terms altogether. So you need to consider separately. If you look at this one, forget about everything else. Only look at the first one, the numerator. What can I do to it? Is there any GCF? No. So what should I do with it? How do I factor it? Okay, so 10 goes on the top and 7 goes at the bottom. Now here, is there any GCF? Huh? Is there any GCF for this one? So we're going to put it in the cross. So it's going to be -8 and -2. Let's look at the next one. On the top, can I take any GCF over here? No. So we're going to put it over here again. 4 and -3. At the very bottom, $35 and $12. Find the factors by yourself. I'm giving you 2 minutes and I'm going to call you to give a factor individually. So everybody needs to do all 4 of them by yourself. I can call you to give me the factors. Go ahead. Okay, so we got all the factors over here. Now we're just going to put it in the places where it's supposed to go. So x plus 5, x plus 2 on the top. At the bottom, we are going to have, at the denominator, we're going to have x minus 4, x plus 2. On the other one, it's x minus 4, x plus 1. The denominator, we're going to have x plus 7, x plus 5. Are we good up to here? Please pay attention to the board now. Please pay attention. We're going to cancel now. Remember, we can only cancel numerator and denominator. Numerator is everything together. All the numerator are together. Doesn't matter whether it's the first term or the second term. They all are together. All of them are numerator. Denominator is everything together. So I can cancel anything from the numerator with the denominator. All 4 can be canceled out with all 4 of them. You don't have to be like, okay, this and this. All right? So we're going to check. X plus 5. Do I have an x plus 5? We can cancel it out. X plus 2. Do I have an x plus 2? Okay. X minus 4. X plus 1. Do I have an x plus 1? None. So my answer will be x plus 1 over x plus 7. This is a linear, so we really cannot do anything else to it. So that's going to be as it is. That's going to be your answer. Now what's my last step? Set the restriction. Please pay attention to it. Whenever you set the restrictions for any of them, you have to consider all of them. Okay, even for the previous problems, when you were solving it over here also, I checked yesterday. So for adding and subtracting also, you have to set all the restrictions. Whenever you are factoring, all the factor goes with this. Even though you cancel it out, still they counts. So over here, all your factors, they're going to be your restriction. So I have x minus 4. So what will be the restriction for this one? X equal to, x is not equal to 4. The next one will be x is not equal to negative 2. The next one will be x is negative 7. And the last one, x is not equal to negative 5. These are all my restrictions. Question? Any question? Are we good? Give me a thumbs up. Great. Work on let me see. Work on I. Start working on I, please. At the very end, start working on I. I'm giving you 4 minutes. Okay. All right. So for the division, you're just gonna change it since you're dividing with 2 rationals. We're just going to keep the first one, change the sign in the middle, and flip the second fraction. It's going to become a multiplication problem. Then the process is same. Whatever you do for multiplication, you will continue doing the same thing for this one as well. We're going to consider over here. Can I do anything to this numerator?
No.
So let's keep it as it is. Look at the denominator. What can I do to it? GCF. What is the GCF? 7x squared. What do I have here? X plus 8. You keep the multiplication. What should I do for this one?
Wait, are we switching the sign?
What sign are you switching? Huh? We will do it later. Let's just move simplifying. Which sign are you talking about?
It's right. Missouri is right.
No, she was asking me a question, so I was trying to answer her.
Oh, now we're going to ask you a question.
What should I do to this one? What should we do to this one? Factor, and this is a trinomial, so give me the factors for it. What are the factors?
Positive 8, no, positive 8,
Positive 8 and negative 1. If you put a negative 8 and positive 1 over here, this one will become a negative because the bigger number gives you the sign. So we cannot have that one. So the factors are going to be x plus 8, x minus 1 over 2. Now the cancellation process comes. We're going to cancel whatever matches. Can I cancel anything from here?
Yep.
So everything cancels out. Now let's check this one. Always check the numerator with the denominator. Can I cancel x plus 8? All right. Can I cancel x minus 1? All right. So we're going to keep it. X minus 1 over 2. I cannot do anything else to it. So we're just going to keep it. That's my answer. What's the restriction now? X cannot be equal to negative 8. Thank you. Yes?
Do we ignore the 7x squared?
We do not. Because x is a variable. You have to consider that one. So you have to set 7x squared equal to 0. X squared equal to 0. X is going to be equal to 0. So cross it out. So that's your second restriction. If you have a variable, you have to consider that one. If you only have a number, say there is no x squared, it's only a 7. You don't have to think about anything. It's just a whole number. But if there is a variable with your whole number, you have to consider it. Clear? All right. You're going to work on E and F and bring it to me so I can check it and stamp it. Now let me talk about the homework to you. Check out the homework packet. Okay. We already did up to the adding and subtracting rational, day 2. We're going to work on multiplication. You are going to do all the problems on multiplication, front and back. For the division, you don't need to do all of them. You're going to skip the first page. Those are very easy problems. Don't cross it out. We will do practice at the end of the unit. You don't have to do this page, only the second page over here. So 9 through 14. So you are doing number 1 through 12 for multiplication, all of them. For the division, you are going to do 9 through 14. Any questions? Clear? Go ahead, get started on E and F and bring it to me so I can stamp it. Then we can move on to the practice work. Any question on the unit questions on the division or multiplication? No. Are we good? Give me a thumbs up. All right, thank you.